In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to make a pricing table design in Elementor WordPress. Whether you're building a business website, a SaaS landing page, or an e-commerce store, a clean and professional pricing table can dramatically increase your conversions. I'll walk you through everything from installing the right plugin to customizing your pricing plans and highlighting your most popular option. So make sure you watch until the end. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and Elementor tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Plugins and click on Add New. In the search bar, type Essential Add-ons for Elementor. This is a powerful plugin that extends Elementor with advanced widgets, including a beautiful pricing table widget. Once you find it, click Install Now, and after installation is complete, click Activate. After activating the plugin, you'll be prompted to complete the setup. Go to the Essential Add-ons settings page. You can access it from the dashboard menu. Follow the quick setup wizard if it appears. This ensures the plugin is properly configured and optimized for your site. You can leave most settings as default if you're unsure, then click Save or Finish Setup. Next, inside the Essential Add-ons settings, go to the Elements or Widgets section. Look for the Marketing Elements category. Scroll down until you find the Pricing Table widget. Make sure the toggle is enabled. This step is important because if the widget is disabled, it won't appear inside Elementor later. Once you confirm it's enabled, save your changes. Next, inside the Essential Add-on settings, go to the Elements or Widgets section. Look for the Marketing Elements category. Scroll down until you find the Pricing Table widget. Make sure the toggle is enabled. This step is important because if the widget is disabled, it won't appear inside Elementor later. Once you confirm it's enabled, save your changes. Now, let's build the pricing table. Go to Pages and either create a new page or edit an existing one where you want to add your pricing section. Click Edit with Elementor to open the Elementor page builder. Inside Elementor, create a new section with 3 columns. This works best for a standard 3-plan pricing layout, like Basic, Pro, and Premium. Now, in the widget panel on the left, type Pricing Table in the search bar. You should see the Essential Add-ons Pricing Table widget appear. Drag and drop it into the first column. Once added, you can start customizing it. Under the Content tab, change the title to something like Basic Plan. Set your price, for example, $19 per month. Add your features in the feature list area. You can include things like number of users, storage, support level, or any benefits your plan includes. Customize the button text to something like Get Started or Buy Now, and add your link. Now duplicate this widget and drag it into the second and third columns, or simply drag a new one into each column and customize them individually. Update the titles to Pro Plan and Premium Plan. Adjust the pricing and features accordingly, so each plan clearly shows increasing value. Now let's make the middle plan stand out as the most popular option. Click on the Middle Pricing Table widget. Go to the Style tab, then open the box or wrapper settings depending on your version. First, change the background color to something slightly different from the others to make it visually pop. Then add a box shadow to give it more depth and emphasis. This subtle change draws attention and naturally guides users toward that plan. Next, go back to the Content tab and look for the Ribbon option. Many pricing table widgets include a ribbon feature. Enable the ribbon and type something like Best Value or Most Popular. You can also customize the ribbon color and position in the style settings. This adds a professional marketing touch and increases conversions. After styling each plan, adjust typography, spacing, button colors, and hover effects under the Style tab to match your brand. Make sure everything looks clean and aligned. Consistency is key for a professional design. Once you're happy with the layout, click Update or Publish. Now preview your page to see your fully responsive pricing table in action. You've successfully created a custom pricing table design using Elementor and Essential Add-ons. And that's it. You now know how to make a pricing table design in Elementor WordPress step by step. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and Elementor tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.